Stop wasting your money by promoting ads. And guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a very cool strategy, which is also a free strategy, 100% free strategy that you can actually utilize to start making money right now with affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn this strategy, do watch this video to the end. And if you're new to my channel, I basically post or create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the use of other AI tools to go on to making money online. And if you're interested in such kind of content, go on to the first link in the description of this particular video or this channel, and actually do go on to checking out my videos that could be helpful to you to earn extra income online. And with that being said, let's jump right ahead into today's video. And guys, right now you can actually see that the platform which we're actually going to be using to promote our affiliate marketing products actually do get about 567.2 thousand visits in the last 28 days. And you can see that is quite amazing right now. And the offers which you do get right now, or the traffic which you do get to this particular website, actually come from the United Kingdom the most, which is actually a tier 1 country. So you can actually do go on to promoting that particular product to such countries, and you could start making some cool cash doing so. The second platform which we're also going to be utilizing is this platform right now, which actually gets about 4.8 million visits in the past 28 days. And this is quite amazing right now, guys, when you just want to use those such platforms to your advantage and promote your affiliate marketing products. And you could get affiliate marketing products from any affiliate marketing platform of your choice. You could use this particular platform right now called the ClickBank. You could use Digital24 or any other affiliate marketing platform you want to grab hold of. If I'm going to be using the ClickBank and I log into my account, I'm just going to go onto the email or e-business and e-marketing section. If I do click on that right now on my marketplace, I'll be brought to this page, and you can actually see a lot of jobs right now, or a lot of stuff right now in this particular niche that is actually available to you. You can actually go keep on scrolling. You can see right now for this section, which is the paid online writing jobs, you want to just simply go on to see more details about this particular product right now, of which if you do promote this product, you can get an average conversion of $129.50 for a successful lead which you do get to this offer right now. So why not just simply take this to your advantage and actually go on to clicking on promote, where you can just simply insert your nickname for your account right now and get your tracking ID. And if you do that, guys, you can actually start getting some cool engagement right now, or directing people to go on to purchasing this particular product using a very simple strategy right now. You could also get other details right now from this particular section by going onto the affiliate page right now. If you do go onto that page, you'll be able to see more details about the offer or about this particular product right now, which you can actually go on to take into your advantage. And once you do get such product right now, the next step which you want to do is to actually go on to creating a simple landing page, or for that particular product. You can actually go on to maybe utilizing platforms like Linktree and actually create a simple landing page. And once you create a simple landing page, next you want to just simply go on to promoting that using this platform right now, which is called the FridayAds.co.uk. And if you do head onto this platform called the FridayAds.co.uk, you can utilize this to your preference right now. As you can see right now, this particular platform, you could go on to promoting ads on any of these niches right now. You could see for the for sale, you could focus on any of these niches, and you could see that they are actually quite numerous right now. You could also go onto the motor sections, where you'll be able to see more details. You can see the car sections, the property, the animals, the events, and a lot more others right now. So why not just simply go on to registering for a particular product that will actually go on to helping you right now. So you can actually promote this right now on this platform. If you do click on place your ad right now, you can then just be brought to this page. Fill out this particular section based on your preference. You want to fix in the basic details right now to that particular ad. You want to select your ad advertisement title right now. If you do go to selecting the title right now, you want to just simply fix in the price for that particular book right there. You could also go on to adding some simple tags right now to actually help that particular content go on to ranking better and getting across to a lot of audience. You can actually then go on to adding the location which you want to promote that particular product to. You can actually focus more and actually do head on to follow the necessary steps to go on to promoting your ad for absolutely free right now. So once you do click on next, guys, you should be brought to this page where you can actually do fill out the delivery method right now. You could select the item condition, you could go on to inserting your reference number, and for this summary, guys, you want to just simply go on to writing something cool right now about that offer. So guys, you could just simply write in something like this, which says we are looking for writers who can actually write simple content for a website. We are paying $1,000 right now per week in just 60 minutes of work daily. So just simply go on to utilizing that right now and start earning some cool cash right here. So you could also go on to utilizing this other platform right now, which is called the freeads.co.uk, and it is quite important that you do go to promoting stuff that are actually much more easier to get conversions for in a particular location such as the United Kingdom. Like I said right here, for this freeads.co.uk, you want to just simply follow the necessary procedures to post your ad for absolutely free, and actually do go on to doing similar stuff right now with this freeads.co.uk. And you could just simply click on post ad and actually do go on to promoting your particular CPA or affiliate marketing product. So if you do that, guys, and start getting conversions, you do start making some cool cash in the year 2023 and beyond. So guys, this is an amazing strategy which you can actually do take advantage of right now as a beginner and make money. I do hope this video was of help to you. If yes, do go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bells are turned on all. So see you all in my next video, and goodbye.